So today we're going to talk about critical thinking versus creative thinking. What's more important in the classroom? So let's talk about it. So let's start at the very beginning. We have to look at the definitions of creative thinking and critical thinking. There's kind of a dance that takes place between these two. There's the creative thinking, which are wild and crazy, new, novel, different ideas that we come up with when we're maybe solving a problem, trying to find some new ideas. Okay. Then there's the critical thinking. Those are the things where we're trying to take a look at those ideas on the creative side and think analytically, strategically, effectively, what will really work. So take a look at this image, and you're going to see what this will actually really look like in the classroom. The creative thinking ideas will be a little bit more intuitive. Sometimes they're a little random. There's many different generated ideas and answers. They're kind of broad in context sometimes. There's a sense of curiosity. That's where the brainstorming kind of takes place. All right, now switch over to the other side and then you look at the critical thinking. They're much more ordered. It's a little bit more controlled. Problem solving seems to be taking control on that side. There's usually one really good conclusion. It's more directed and it's more independent. But you'll also see that really it's the same coin, just different side. That's the dance that takes place. You need them both. Then sprinkle in a little bit of collaboration and you know what you've got? You've got deeper thinking. And that's what you need to make engaging learning take place in your classroom. Just a reminder, like, subscribe, and share with other incredible educators like yourself. So here's what we know. The research says it all over the place. World Forum, Adobe, PISA. Our students need to be future thinkers. They need creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, communication. They've got to have it. We're not teaching it. We need to be. That's why I'm here. I'm here to support you. I'm here to help you incorporate and infuse all of this into your teaching, into your content, into your classrooms. It's time. We've got to do it. And I've got the way to help you. So let's create a thinking revolution. Let's bring hope and joy into our classroom. Let's prepare our students for the future they deserve, the future they need to be ready for. We know we need it. Let's do it together. Let's stop complaining and let's start moving. So, are you ready to join the Deeper Thinking Revolution? You can get my new book called Deeper Thinking in the Classroom, download a free chapter, and get started with some incredible strategies. I am so excited to have you join us. See you in the next video.